Okay, so today we are going to be going from the solutions, or I'll call them zeros, and going back to the polynomial. What we've been doing previously is we're given, say, a polynomial. We factor this, correct? And in the end, we'll get our x values. I'm just pretending here. Let's say our x value is, let's say our factors are x plus 5, x minus 1, and x plus 2. Okay, so what would my zeros be?
-5, -2, 1.
Perfect. Okay, so today we're going backwards. Instead of going from the polynomial to the zeros, we're going to go from the zeros to the polynomial. Okay, so guys, notice to get our answer -5, you guys see how the factor was x plus 5? Okay, so guys, these are our zeros. What were the corresponding factors?
X minus 1.
X minus 2, X minus 1.
Perfect. Those were the factors. Okay, let's do a harder one. Let's do number 3.
That's all it?
Yep, that's it. For now, hold on, for now. These are the factors. These are the factors. We want polynomials. That means you're gonna have to FOIL to get a polynomial. All right, next one, number 3. What was the factor that goes with -2? X plus 2. And what about -4/3?
3x plus 4.
Perfect. Ooh, y'all are so smart. And the last one is k minus 2. So guys, to get the polynomial, you would just have to multiply all this together. Number 4. Guys, all they did is they just combined this. So it's really negative square root of 2, a positive square root of 2, and a 1. Okay? So let's go backwards. What are the factors associated with this?
X squared.
Or just
No.
this one, and then x minus square root of 2, and then x minus 1.
Oh.
Those would be the factors for number 4. I didn't do number 2. Okay, so guys, I'm going to multiply this out with you. I'm going to multiply out number 4 with you. I'm writing above the box because I'm running out of space down there. So guys, what is x times, oh, going too far. What is x times x?
X squared.
Good. X times the square root of 2? Yes, so it'll be minus and then x square root 2. And then let's do the next number. I'll do it in blue. Square root of 2 times this x?
X squared.
Plus X.
That's fine. Yep, they will cancel. And then square root of 2 times negative square root of 2. There we go. Now, let me pause here and explain what just happened. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4. You multiply the radicand. The radicand is what's inside. And the square root of 4 is just 2. So that's how I got that. And do you guys see how these cancel?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just left with x squared minus 2. And I'll multiply it by the third factor, x minus 1. Okay, x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times -1 is negative x squared. -2 times x, negative 2x. -2 times -1, positive 2. Okay, so that's how we go backwards. We go from the zeros to the polynomials. Okay, and the next part is just multiplicity. It's the same thing. So guys, when it says multiplicity of 2, that means there were x minus 3 was the factor associated with 3. And you have 2 of them because it's multiplicity 2. And then you'll have the x minus 5 factor. That corresponds with the 5. And then you multiply it out to get the polynomial. Okay, so that is the end of this part. I'm going to end it here.